Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite strength and mobility exercises to keep the older adults that I work with healthy and pain-free as they age. All of these exercises are incredibly easy to do regardless of your current ability and will keep you holistically strong through your entire body. In this video, we will cover the different aspects of fitness we will be working, as well as showing you a few great ways to work those specific areas. Thanks for joining me. Let's reverse that age. First thing that I wanted to discuss is the different aspects of fitness that we will be working. Normally with the older adults I work with, I try to work on mobility, strength, as well as doing some balance as well. Most of the exercises that I will be showing you in this video will cover all of these different aspects of fitness, allowing you to keep your aging body fit as you move through your golden years. I will link down below some of the equipment we will be using in the video if you did want to check that out for yourself.
We are going to start out with a single arm farmer's carry. We're going to need a dumbbell for this one, or grab a heavy object around your home. This one is a really great exercise to target your unilateral strength on one side of your core. I also really like this exercise because it adds a very large balance component as well. Of course, the larger the object you have, the heavier it's going to be, pulling you to the side, which will make this much trickier on your balance and overall core strength. If you do want an extra challenge, you can also do a heel to toe walk in this position, allowing you to target your balance a little more, but I would start with the basic version. Before going on to doing some step-ups are an excellent single leg strengthening exercise that is extremely functional because, as it seems, of course, we are almost going up and down a flight of stairs that is really not moving. So if you are somebody who has a lot of knee pain going upstairs, this is going to really target all of those muscles around your knees and is going to transfer over very nice. Make sure you are controlling the movement on the way down when you're doing this. And if there is pain, you can find a smaller step. This is just kind of the one I like using for this exercise. And of course, once you finish that, you can add in some modified burpees. If you're not familiar with what a burpee is, it's essentially going all the way down to the ground and then standing all the way back up. So this is very functional for seniors and individuals who are aging, because if you fall on the floor, you obviously want to have the strength to be able to push yourself back up off the ground. So this exercise is targeting that exactly. You can do this with your sofa too as well. I just had the step stool here because it's pretty sturdy to do for myself. And of course, over time, we want to ideally try to get to a full burpee, so that's chest all the way to the floor. And that first exercise I showed you, kind of the modified version of this, makes this something we can reach towards. Once you're done with that, adding in some single arm dumbbell rows will target your back. Of course, we need a dumbbell or a heavy object around your house again. When you're doing this one, you're going to bend over at about a 45-degree angle in front of you, and then just focus on trying to pull that dumbbell up towards your rib cage while keeping your back bent over the entire time. A common error that people usually make when doing this is they'll slowly start to stand up. I really want to challenge you to stay bent over the entire time to work those back muscles. And of course, we can't forget about the get up and go test. This is something you might have done in PT. So go ahead and set up a cone and a nice sturdy chair down in front of you. Again, make that chair as high as you comfortably can and need it. And then you're going to practice getting up out of the chair, walking around that object or cone that you placed out in front of you, and then sitting back down as quickly as you can. This is extremely functional, works your agility and balance tremendously, which helps in reducing the overall risk of falls. And if that's too easy for yourself, of course, you can add the weighted variation, which we use that dumbbell or weight earlier for a lot of different exercises. So this just adds a little bit more complexity to the movement and keeps you fit and healthy. Thanks for joining me. Like the video if this helps. Subscribe to the channel as we help individuals with all abilities inside the gym and become healthier in life. And of course, if you don't want to do that, I'm going to link another video showing you a few more great strength exercises to keep you fit and healthy.
Tell me